Hey everyone, Jake Easter, MarineMax, Fort Myers, Florida. Today I'm on a 310 SLX. Just want to show you some features. So at the stern of the boat, we have twin 300 Mercury Verado outboards in the color black. Nice large sun pad area on the back of the boat with a couple cup holders. Lots of storage underneath. Got all the canvases back here right now. Put boards, coolers, anything like that. And this boat's in the dune color. Really stands out. Nice cooler coming into the cockpit of the boat, self-draining. If you want to put some drinks back here. Here's your battery switches along the starboard side. And here in the cockpit area, set up really nice. You can sit a lot of people in here. Sits very comfortably. And you know how Sea Ray does it? They like to have a lot of storage. So I'll point out, you've got storage everywhere. Switching over the galley area, you can set up food and drinks. Cool down, put some wine, some champagne here. You have your sink. This boat has the option to have a refrigerator and an ice maker, all that stuff right here, but it's just storage. That's what they decided to go with. Behind the helm seat, you've got more seating. And then this seat will actually swivel. And you see how heavy duty it is. I can't even turn it. You can face everybody on the back of the boat for entertainment. And over to the helm, got your twin Simrad displays, Fusion stereo. This has got your joystick. Awesome option to have. It's a must-have. Very easy docking this boat. Got your sky hook, got your heading, and all that good stuff here. Got your trim tabs. Nice bolster seat here for standing up or sitting down. Cup holders up here as well. Moving to the other side, notice you got a couple speakers. Very large head in this 310. A little bit of storage here. Phones and wallets. Coming up to the front of the boat. Notice a lot of seating again up here as well. More storage everywhere throughout this boat. Got cup holders here, speakers, armrest for nice and relaxing. More storage underneath as well. And this boat actually has your hardtop on it. And it's got a sure shade that goes all the way back over the transom just to keep everybody under the shade when the sun's out. So this is Jake Easter, 310 SLX here at MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'd be glad to help. Thank you.